So in this video, we're just going to talk about navigating the controls of the Vivax transmitter. So of course, we turn our power output up and down with the plus and minus buttons. We change frequencies with F. And then we hold down the I button to enter the menu. We have volume. We press up or plus to turn it up, minus to turn it down. I don't think volume's needed on the transmitter usually, but then we show voltage. We don't need to do these. You need to have the lead cables plugged in order to access the multi-mode. Otherwise, you can't access it. So keep scrolling until you see multi-mode. Then you hit F to turn it on or off. Once you're in here, you can change frequencies. We're going to recommend 8 and 200. Press F to go down to the other one, change. And just 2 frequencies is fine. You can turn on a third one as an option. So in the menu, we had multi-mode turned on, so now it's an option here on the transmitter. When I go to multi, it's going to actually send out more than one frequency, whichever ones I had turned on. And you can locate either of them and see which one works better and just trace that frequency. We're recommending just 2 instead of 3 because it's going to split the power output of the transmitter between those frequencies. So 3 is going to weaken the signals on each one. 2, you'll have a stronger signal. And we'll just use 2 frequencies that are far enough apart to get you very different results while maximizing the power output. Press I again. Okay, one more thing here. Pressing I to get back to our frequency menu. And you can press plus or minus to navigate through these. Press F to turn these on or off. Whatever frequencies you have on your receiver, you'll want to match here. Make sure all the same ones are turned on your receiver and your transmitter. We've already gone over all the frequencies on the receiver video. That is it.